The idea of blood oranges can sound a bit off-putting, but these tasty, crimson-fleshed oranges are bursting with deliciousness, which is why we thought they would make the perfect flavor of gin. Gin can be made at home using a neutral spirit, such as vodka, and adding botanicals such as juniper, angelica, coriander, etc. But as the focus of our blood orange gin is the blood orange, we'll be taking a slight shortcut and making our blood orange gin with gin. Now, we here at Craft Gin Club have over 100 amazing craft gins on our online shop, craftginclub.co.uk. But in this case, we recommend using a slightly less special gin. We'll start with a freshly sterilized receptacle. In my case, I'm using a glass jar, however, a plastic receptacle works as well. Then we'll add the gin. Then we'll add 4 quartered blood oranges. We'll give them a squeeze and add them to our jar. Depending on your tastes, you can also add up to around 150 grams of caster sugar. I'm adding 100 to mine. We'll store our blood orange gin in a dark spot for about 2 weeks, giving it a shake every day or two, before straining it through a cheesecloth and enjoying the citrus fruits of our labor. Cheers!